the question says Mira's expenditure and savings are in the ratio 4:3. So it means E is to S is given as 4:3. And further it says her income increases by 12%, her expenditure increases by 15%. By how much percent does her saving increases? Now here you can assume that the expenditure of Mira be 400 and saving as 300. Now since income is expenditure plus saving, so her income become 700. Now in the question it says that her income increases by 12%, so 12% of 700 is 84, so her income increases by 84. Expenditure also increases by 15% and 15% of 400 is 60, so expenditure increases by 60. So saving becomes 80 minus 60, right, that is 24. So her saving increases by 24, and therefore the percentage increase in saving becomes 24 upon 300 into 100, which is equal to 8%. So her saving increases by 8%. But you can find the answer to this question in just fraction of a second by using the alligation tool. Now understand how to apply alligation tool to this method. Here we take weighted mean as the increase in income of Mira, that is 12%. Right? Now the two quantities will be her expenditure and saving. Right? And since the increase in expenditure is given as 15%, so quantity 1 becomes 15%, and we are assuming that our saving is increases by X%, so quantity 2 become X%. Now here the ratio of expenditure and saving is given as 4:3. Now once her income increases by 12%, then this 12% has to distribute between her expenditure and saving in the ratio 4:3. Okay, though individually they are increasing by different numerical values, as expenditure is increases by 15%, income increases by 12%, and saving will also increase by some different numerical value. But once the income increases by 12%, this 12% has to be distributed between her this expenditure and saving in the ratio 4:3. So the ratio of weights here is 4:3. Now since 15 minus 12 is 3, so 12 minus x will be equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8%. So her saving increases by 8%. Option 4 is the correct answer to this question.